Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to safely remove the Frunk front trunk cover on your Tesla Model Y to access the Frunk storage and the HEPA filter. The HEPA filter is a critical component for maintaining clean cabin air, filtering out 99.97% of airborne particles, pollutants, allergens, and viruses. Understanding how to access it is useful for maintenance and potential filter replacement. This guide is relevant as of December 2025. Considering design consistencies and minor variations in fasteners over model years. The Model Y front cover is a molded plastic panel that protects the front contents and houses the HEPA filter. The cover is secured by a combination of push clips, plastic fasteners, and sometimes screws. The exact type and number of fasteners can vary based on your Model Y's production year from 2020 to 2025. Newer models from 2023 to 2025 often feature toolless designs for easier maintenance. Knowing the fastener type ahead of time will help you choose the right tools and avoid damaging the cover or clips during removal. Be aware of common wear and tear issues with clips, as they can break over time. Before starting, park your Tesla Model Y on a level surface and ensure the vehicle is turned off. This ensures safety and stability during the removal process. Next, open the front lid to access the interior area. Gather your tools to make the removal safe and efficient. A plastic trim tool prevents scratches on the vehicle's surfaces. A Phillips head screwdriver is useful if your model uses screws for fasteners. Wear gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges or debris. Finally, ensure good lighting so you can clearly see the clips and fasteners during removal. Having these items ready will streamline the removal process and minimize the risk of damaging any components. First, remove the rubber floor mat inside the frunk. Then, gently peel back the carpet liner to reveal the plastic clips or screws around the cover's perimeter. Use the plastic trim tool to carefully pry the clips loose. If screws are present, unscrew them. Once all fasteners are released, gently lift the front cover straight up and out. Avoid yanking or forcing the cover, as this could break the clips. With the cover removed, you'll have access to the front storage area and the HEPA filter housing. With the front cover removed, the HEPA filter is visible in its dedicated housing. Slide the filter out to inspect its condition. Check for excessive debris, discoloration, or a musty odor. Tesla recommends replacing the HEPA filter every 2 to 3 years or 30,000 miles, depending on usage. Consider replacing the filter if you notice reduced airflow or lingering odors in the cabin. The filter is essential for your Model Y's bioweapon defense mode, which recirculates filtered air. To reinstall the front cover, start by carefully aligning it with the front opening. Position the cover so that all clips are properly aligned with their corresponding holes in the frame. This ensures a secure fit and prevents misalignment issues. Next, press down firmly on the cover with even pressure across its surface. You should hear or feel the clips snap securely into place. If your Model Y uses screws instead of clips, reinsert them into their holes and tighten them with a screwdriver, ensuring they're snug but not over-tightened to avoid stripping. Finally, double-check the installation by ensuring the cover sits completely flush with the surrounding panels. Run your hand over the edges to verify there are no gaps, rattles, or uneven spots. A properly secured cover prevents water ingress during rain or washing, maintains the vehicle's aerodynamics, and keeps the frunk looking clean and professional. Here are some crucial tips and common mistakes to avoid when working with your Tesla Model Y front cover. Always use a plastic trim tool to avoid scratches on the front cover or surrounding areas. This protects the vehicle's finish. Don't force the clips. Gently pry them loose to prevent breakage. Clips can be fragile and break if handled roughly. If a clip breaks during removal, replacement kits are readily available at Tesla service centers. Don't attempt to repair them yourself. When reinstalling the front cover, ensure all clips are fully engaged to prevent rattles or water ingress that could damage the interior. A common mistake is forgetting to reconnect all fasteners, which can lead to a loose cover and potential damage over time. Always double-check. Be careful not to over-tighten screws, as this can damage the plastic components and void warranties. Use gentle pressure. Following these tips will ensure a smooth and damage-free experience when maintaining your Tesla Model Y Frunk. The trend in EV maintenance is shifting towards user-friendly, modular components. Tesla is leading by using more sustainable materials in front covers. Many owners are becoming DIY savvy, using online tutorials to perform maintenance tasks themselves. Future Tesla models might feature magnetic fasteners or app-controlled releases for easier access. As air quality concerns grow, expect increased demand for HEPA filter upgrades and smart sensors for real-time filter health monitoring. Consider aftermarket options like activated carbon add-ons for enhanced filtration. Stay informed and embrace the evolving landscape of EV maintenance.